Struggling with daily tasks due to a missing hand? What if you could regain your independence and perform activities effortlessly? Introducing Edrees Medical Prosthetic and Orthotic Center. The Zeus Bionic hand offers strength and agility for all your daily activities. How it works. The Bionic hand is designed for high functionality. It features multi-articulating joints for natural movement. Users can control the hand with ease, enhancing usability. The design is both elegant and robust, ensuring durability. Customize your grip patterns for any task. Highly customizable with 12 grip patterns. Capable of handling both lightweight and heavy objects. Local servicing for quick repairs. Ready to Riga in control? Contact Edrees Medical. Visit us at Dubai Healthcare City. Call Mr. Tahir at +971502108378.